Greyling Reading Comprehension Check. Number 1. Who is the author of Greyling? Ronald Dahl, Dr. Seuss, or Jane Yolen? Number 2. The fisherman and his wife wanted nothing except a new cottage, child to love, or a pet dog. Number 3. The fisherman found and wrapped a blank in his shirt and carefully took it home to his wife. Was it a bear cub, an otter, or a seal pup? Number 4. Greyling stood by the shore, longing for something, but he did not know what. What was Greyling longing for? His lost father, his true home in the sea, or an amazing adventure? Number 5. While the villagers watched, all they saw was a boy diving into the water. Then, farther out, a large seal swimming towards the boat that wallowed in the sea. What happened to the boy? He sloughed his skin and became a seal. The sea swallowed him up. Or he got hurt on the rocks and laid quietly in the beach. Number 6. Now the fisherman was also sad that they had no child, but he kept his sorrow to himself. Why did he hide his own sorrow? So his wife would not double her grief knowing he was sad? So that no one bothered him? Or so the villagers wouldn't know he was sad? Number 7. Greyling was never allowed to go into the fishing boat, village, or the sea. Number 8. It's a blank, the fisherman cried. I have heard of them. They are men upon the land and seals in the sea. Was it a selkie, a human baby, or a sea lion? Number 9. The setting for Greyling is a small fishing village in Scotland, mountains overlooking a lake, or a large city near the sea. Number 10. The fisherman's wife and villagers hurried down to the sand after Greyling dove off the cliffs, but they did not find the boy. All they found were his jacket and boots, blanket and hat, or shirt and shoes. Number 11. In the beginning of the story, Jane Yolen created a blank mood when she described the fisherman and his wife's problem. Happy, silly, or sad? Number 12. When the fisherman found Greyling and brought him home to his wife, the mood changed to one of excitement, fear, or fun. 13. The fisherman brought the seal pup home, hoping to end his wife's deep sadness and pain. In this sentence, what is another word that can replace the phrase deep sadness and pain? Kin, sheared, or grief? Number 14. After Greyling left, the fisherman said to his wife, Yes, quite gone, gone where his heart calls, gone to the great wide sea. And though my heart grieves at his leaving, it tells me this way is best. What did the fisherman mean by this way is best? Greyling belongs to the sea? Now he must learn to care for himself, or all of the above. 15. Does Greyling ever return to the fisherman and his wife? Yes, once a year. Yes, every holiday. Or no, he left for good. Number 16. Other than each other, the fisherman and his wife have no family to call their own. What word can replace family? Selchi, kin, or sloth? 17. Why does Greyling return to the fisherman and his wife once a year? To tell them tales of lands far away, to sing songs of wonders beneath the sea, or all of the above? Number 18. After the fisherman found Greyling and brought him home, the fisherman's wife said, "He shall remain a man upon the land." And the fisherman agreed. Yet in his heart he felt somehow it was wrong. This is an example of what type of conflict? Character versus character, character versus nature, or character versus self? Number 19. The fisherman and his wife and his children's wife raised a Selchi as their own child until one day the Selchi returned to the sea to save his father, and the fisherman and his wife realized they had to let him go. This is an example of conflict, theme, or mood. Number 20. Greyling is based on an old Scottish folk tale. Which of the following is not a characteristic of folk tales? They were originally passed down from generation to generation by word of mouth. They were often created to explain the unknown, or they have only one author.